Hello everyone and welcome to Creative by Nature. My name is Donna. Today is day 4 of Christmas in July. I have these wood planks that I got from Dollarama, but you can get them from Dollar Tree as well, along with the tumbling blocks. I am going to be laying out the tumbling blocks flat as shown, the length of my wood plank. I am then going to glue those tumbling blocks together to form a bottom. If you're new, I want to say a big welcome to you, and you could tap on the subscribe button to become a part of my community. And if you tap on the bell, it'll keep you up to date with everything I have to share. You can see that it forms a nice bottom for a little wood crate. I'm now going to add some tumbling blocks to form the sides of my crate. It took about 4, as you can see here, and I'm going to glue those together. Once you have the two ends formed, you are going to adhere those to the bottom platform that you created using the other tumbling blocks. Glue them together as shown. Working quickly, you're going to want to add some hot glue and attach the wood planks to your base that you created. Once you have the two side panels attached, you're going to go inside the little wood box that you created and add some hot glue. This way here, you know, everything will be attached really well. I am now going to be mixing some chalk paint and some antique white to create a bit of a softer green color. And I'll mix those two together and then apply a one coat to the crate that I created. I gave one coat of paint to the exterior of the box. I didn't worry about the inside. Once dry, I had decided that I would use this peace metal sign that I picked up from Dollar Tree at Christmas time last year. Using a little bit of hot glue, I am just attaching it ever so carefully. I didn't use hot glue directly to the metal piece because it cools quite quickly before I can get it attached to the box properly. So I'm just adding little dollops of glue as I go along by lifting the metal piece up and then attaching along the way. I'm just snipping off the end of the E as it was a little bit too long for the box. I had these salt and pepper shakers in my stash from a local dollar store, but you can pick them up from Dollar Tree. I'm removing the lids and then placing them inside my crate. You could glue them into place if you choose. I'm now going to add some preserved reindeer moss, and that will help hold the jars in place. I'll show you what this looks like all done up in the end. I have another 4 of these green Dollar Tree wood picture frames. I am going to be removing the backings along with those little brackets that hold everything into place. I'm going to keep the glass but I'll be setting that aside. And I have got this deco mesh that's got little flecks of snow on it. Again, I picked this up at Dollar Tree last Christmas, and I'm using it from my stash. I'm going to cut a piece out that's a little bit bigger than the glass and then place the glass into it, and it creates a really pretty snowy effect through the glass. I have trimmed off the excess deco mesh, and then I'm going to be attaching the glass to the frame using some hot glue. I'm now going to attach all the frames together with some hot glue, and as you can see, they're kind of offset. So I'll glue those all together. Continue to add your frames as shown and work quickly as the glue does dry quick. This next part is optional, but I'm going to add a touch of faux snow just to the bottom edge of each frame. I really like how that looks, and now I'm going to be going in and adding some branches just to the one side of each frame. I love to be able to add some natural elements to my door decor whenever I can, and a lot of times I do use little branches. So I'm just using some hot glue, and I'm just going to place them randomly on one side of each frame. Once you're done with your branches, you can then use a little battery operated LED candle, and that is a cute little lantern, I must say. Here is how my little crate with my jars look with some greenery. I love the natural and neutral look of these pieces. And I love the little flecks of snow that are showing through the glass. Let me know which one is your favorite. I hope you join me for day 5 of my Christmas in July. Thank you so much for being here. Have a wonderful day. Bye.